Exploring the English calendar, all about months. Hello language learners. Today we are going to unravel an important part of the English language, the months of the year. Understanding and remembering the months in English can be quite useful in a variety of settings, from making appointments to discussing historical events. So, let's dive right in. In English, a year is divided into 12 months. Each month has a unique name and they are always listed in the same order. 1. January. 2. February. 3. March. 4. April. 5. May 6th. June. 7. July. 8. August. 9. September. 10. October. 11. November. 12. December. Always remember to capitalize the first letter of each month when you are writing them. Now that we know the names of the months, let's talk about how many days each one has. Here's a helpful rhyme to remember them. 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31, except February alone, which has 28 days clear, and 29 in each leap year. So, every month has either 30 or 31 days, except for February, which has 28 or 29 depending on whether it's a leap year or not. Finally, let's see how to use these months in sentences. We usually use in before the name of the month. For example, I was born in January. She will start her new job in September. We also commonly use months to discuss past or future events. We went on vacation in August last year. They are getting married in June next year. And there we have it. We've covered the names of the months in English, the number of days in each month, and how to use months in sentences. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try to use these in your daily conversations and writings. I hope this video has been helpful, and keep up the good work on your English learning journey.